Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm really glad to be here with you today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate that. Today, we are unboxing my base Boxycharm Boxycharm. Yeah. It's so good. I'm sure. I don't know what's in it. It's still sealed. I've not broken the seal. This is a $25 a month subscription, and it is one of my all-time favorite subscriptions. If you guys know of any other good subscriptions, because I'm getting, all the Boxycharms and a couple of the Ipsies. I'm looking for something new and different that's good. I get FabFitFun, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm up for some suggestions, something you guys would like to see. And this says it's go all out. We're gonna go all out. And I'm gonna get my spectacles because reading is what? Fundamental. Ooh, Mama needs to clean these lenses. That's what happens when you keep them in the makeup room. Much better, much better. Now I can actually read what's on the card, and I can't wait to see what's in here. And oh, there's a palette. First thing up, the Ditto Venus palette. It's limited edition. That is gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. Let's read about it. The Ditto limited edition Venus 12 shade palette. Float through the stars with this limited edition palette. It represents the planet Venus. Oh, I need my calculator. The planet Venus, with 12 shades that embody glittering gold to warm neutral brown colors. The opaque high pigment satin soft formula provides an adhesive for multiple beautiful shades ranging from matte, shimmery, creamy, ultra shiny glitter, and shimmer with sparkle to create your glam look. MSRP $29. I'm just gonna call it 30 bucks. Is what I'm gonna call it. Let's take a look. It is sealed. Let's get the magic scissors. They're magic because they're iridescent. And my husband got those for me a long time ago so I could have some. Oh, this is very pretty. Let's take that off. That's gorgeous. I'll try that out. I love that. That looks really great. Super cool. Very pretty colors, and I think I can make some nice looks with them. And if you want to look closer, there's like textures and mixing of colors. It's very cool. I'm excited about it. I did not expect it because I never remember what I choose hardly ever anymore. Very good. Now we can do away with the plastic bubbles. I throw caution to the wind. And the next thing up is from Volition Hibiscus Unspottable Correcting Oil. This is a daily treatment oil with hibiscus flower and licorice root to minimize the appearance of dark spots and discolorations, and it soothes and nurtures. MSRP $49. And I do have some dark spots, so this might be something I could use. Let's take a look at it. Ooh, it's very nice. Feels like glass or very intense plastic. And it's got a little dropper. So do a little drop. A dramatic drop. And it's just a nice little oil. And I used to not be into cosmetic oils, but I found that they are beneficial. Not a scientist. And it's got a really nice scent to it. I really enjoy that scent. It's very fresh. Maybe, I'm not sure what kind of scents are in it. Hibiscus, yes. And $49. Let's call it $50. Let's call it $49. Let's call the whole thing off. And the next thing up is Perlis, and I'm into some lighter cover foundations. The one I use 99.9% of the time is from number 7 Protect and Perfect Advanced All-in-One Foundation. It's got sunscreen in it, and I love it. And it gives a really nice natural coverage with a little protection. And I'm excited to try this Perlis because Perlis is a good name. It's got a good reputation. And let's take a look and see what it says. A multitasking serum infused, which is a very big trend right now in boxes, is serum infused things. Beauty balm that contains bacterially, I don't know how to say that, algae, collagen, vitamin C to firm the skin's elasticity, brighten and moisturize, all while providing full natural glowy coverage and protecting your skin with SPF 40, $38. Let's take a look. I will take the little seal off because I'm wild like that. I'll do a little on my wrist since I just put that oil on. It looks like it's a good match. Yeah, that's a really good match. You can't even see hardly where it was. That's great. It wipes right off. And this is in fair because I am very fair and impartial and pale. Next up we have from I Am Beauty Care Dead Sea and Minerals Charcoal Makeup Remover Wipes. I can always use more remover wipes. There's 25 towelettes in there. And it says these wipes are infused with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals to detoxify your pores and clear away all traces of dirt, oil, makeup, and impurities. Keep your skin clean anywhere, anytime. No excuses. No excuses. The wipes are formulated to deep clean, purify, and detoxify your skin. Leave impurities behind without irritation and experience real glow. $12. You know, I'm not thrilled to get makeup wipes in a box. But it's okay. It's okay. It's not my favorite. I have makeup wipes, but I can always use makeup wipes. I know. What? I don't know. And then from, how do you say that? AMANH. Skincare. Starry Collagen Gel Eye Pads. Collagen Gel Pads. I'm not drunk. I'm not. And there's one sentence about these and I can't hardly get it out. These collagen gel pads to reduce wrinkles and dark circles. $32. So that brings my box to $161, which is a great value for 25 bucks. So we've got the collagen gel pads. We've got face wipes. We've got this nice oil. We've got the nice foundation. We got this cool palette. So overall, I'm happy with my box. I like everything in it. What about that? I'm actually happy. Maybe I'm just happy. I want to thank you guys so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or a day of your choice. And we'll see you real soon.